Hello, and welcome back. Today we will be talking about various counting and summing techniques. As your authors note, many of the most frequently asked questions involve counting and summing of other worksheet elements. It seems like people are always looking for formulas to count and sum items on the spreadsheet. This chapter will answer the majority of such questions. Let's take a look at this introductory page. Most people, when they have to accumulate amounts, put the first amount here, and then they'll write a formula that takes the previous amount, adds the new amount to it, and copy the formula on down. This requires two different formulas for this column. There is another way to do that, and you'll notice it here. If I uncomment this cell, we can take the absolute value of B5 and sum that through B5 relative. That way it'll take whatever's there. So the first one we can put in here is 1,500. Pull it down, you'll notice that's 3,200. It adds up both of these for the next one, and of course we can pull that all the way down and it will sum the cumulative amount. This is actually a bit more elegant solution to accumulating amounts. Also note that I can delete a value here and the remainder will remain true, whereas if I delete one over here, everything below it changes. Let's now look at summing top or bottom values. As you remember, we did this earlier when we studied arrays. This column here, Control-Shift down, you'll notice is called cache. Try doing it yourself and see if you can make this work. The answer, of course, is here and also up above. We studied this when we looked at arrays. The thing you may want to note is that I don't have to put Control-Shift-Enter because large is an array type function. Large uses the array cache, and then we gave it a second array, 1, 2, 3, and so forth through 10. And we can just hit enter on the large and the small ones and then sum it up.